Hi guys, my name is Angel Valdez and I am the software architect for this company that is working on this public educational management system for you guys. And this week I'm presenting my sitemap and the different wireframes and page structure, hopefully for you guys to approve it. So basically, as you will see in the document, I try to keep the sitemap as simple as possible. Um, and you should be able to understand the different symbols based on the legend. So you should be able to see that from the home you access some of the main pages and that are public, and then there is actually a private section that you can only access through authentication after logging in and successfully authenticate. This is a very complex application, as you will see, because the application will actually display information based on the user role. So when you get to the site, you will get some general information like public accessible information for everyone in the community. So there will be resources for teachers, for the students, for the community and the parents that are publicly accessible, and some of the news, the most important news and so on, that they will be visible on the homepage. But most important, there will be links to access the other sections of the website. So on this website, because you will be accessing private information, you have to agree with certain privacy policies. But once you do and you log in, you actually get the login page. When you click on the login button, you'll be able to log in using different type of authentication mechanisms. We want to make it easy on the users. We want to make this application as easy as possible. So I know that institutions need to have an ID for every single user, but what I'm trying to do is we're trying to map that private user ID onto one of those very commonly used user IDs and password that everyone has, such as Google, the Gmail account, the Microsoft account, the Facebook account. So this way, you will not have to remember, as a student, as an employee, as a parent, you will not have to remember a new user ID if you don't want to. You can just map it, associate it with an existing ID on Microsoft or on Facebook, and that's it. You can use that account to log into the system. Otherwise, you can still use the private company account. So, but again, once you authenticate successfully and you get access to the system based on your role, it will display certain tabs, and these tabs have access to different information. For example, if you're a student, you will get access to your student class list, or if you're a parent or if you're a teacher, you will get access to all this important information that you need to be able to successfully do your job or your responsibilities. There will be an about us section that will display like an organizational chart for everyone to see. This is public information, so you can see who's the boss and who's the next supervisor on the line, and when you move the mouse over the image, for example, I will display more information about the person, such as ways to contact the person, who's the person, their background, and so on. So hopefully I can do this section a lot more interactive that I can display on a wireframe. But I want to make it very modern, but friendly and easy to use at the same time. I also have to keep in mind that some of these, or most of these pages, might be accessible from the mobile. So when I do these type of effects, it's going to be challenging for me to come up with a solution that will also be friendly for the phone, because then, as you know, I cannot move the mouse over the phone. So I'll think about solutions and alternative, maybe implementations for the phone version. And then finally, there is a jobs page, but we're not doing the job implementation at this moment, but at least we have the section there to be implemented later on. Thank you very much, guys. I hope that you will understand my sitemap and the wireframes, and that you will approve my project to continue on and actually create the application. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Bye-bye.